Do you know I want to be a chemist when I grow up? I love to do chemistry experiments. This one that I'm just about to show you is a really fun and playful experiment. I'm going to show you how to do it. The experiment I'm going to show you how to make is called Oobleck. You can make it with some ingredients that you can probably find at home. So the ingredients you need are cornstarch, water. These are the two ingredients that make the Oobleck. And this is optional. You need food coloring. If you have 2 cups of cornstarch, you need 1 cup of water to make it. Right now I'm using 4 cups of cornstarch and 2 cups of water. I want my Oobleck to be the color blue, so I'm going to add blue food coloring to the water. I'm going to do it in the water because when you add it inside the Oobleck, it's almost impossible to mix. Let's begin. Now slowly pour in the colored water. Mixing this, the cornstarch in the water, I added 1 tablespoon extra of water just to add more color. It looks perfectly like Oobleck right now, so let's try it out. I'm gonna first punch the Oobleck to see if it has the property of a solid. Now let's see if it has the property of a liquid. I'm just going to slowly put my hand in it and no pressure. As long as I don't put pressure, nothing will happen. Oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid. So that means that it has both the properties of a solid and a liquid. When you seep your hand into the bowl and then pull it out really quick, you sometimes end up taking the entire bowl with you. It's really cool. So this happens because when you punch the Oobleck, all the cornstarch joins together in the surface, not letting you to pass through the bottom. But when you slowly insert it slowly and not put any pressure to it, the cornstarch separates. So it lets your hand flow through the Oobleck as long as you're not putting pressure to it. If you take a little bit of the oobleck and start adding pressure to it and form it into a ball, you will be able to pass it through your hands and in the shape of a ball. But as soon as you stop adding pressure, it'll leak out of your hands, and then the ball will just become liquid again. The thing is, as long as you're adding pressure to this oobleck, the longer it'll, stay this hard. So I love playing with this a lot, and it is a good thing to, experiment with this and things like that. But there's one thing, mess. Be sure to clean up your mess after you make this experiment. It's really messy, and after you play with this, you gotta be a little careful and then clean up your mess as soon as you make it. Otherwise, your mom. Yeah, no, shout at you. This is really sticky, kind of like slime. So there's this thing. This can dry out, okay? If you leave it outside without like a container or a Ziploc to put it in, it'll dry out and it'll become like normal cornstarch again because all that liquid inside here evaporates. So if all that liquid evaporates, don't worry, it's not like ruined. You can basically just put more water in it and then continue to play. So I suggest putting it in a Ziploc so it won't evaporate as fast. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye!